Look what Santa bought. 2023 Cabrinha Mantis Apex. Comes with a pump. Very nice. Oh, can you see that? 21 PSI. This thing must go up hard. Alright, so this is the 4.0 Mantis. Comes with the same handles as the standard Mantis. Long, I think all the 4.0 and above have the longer handle. But so far looking good. So, I've been on the Mantis for a while now, and I always set them up with the spacer at the far ends. So towards the end of the strut and towards the leading edge, and it creates a bit more of a V, which is a bit more comfortable to hang on to. Inflate to 13.5 PSI.